Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create this typographic image in Photoshop. First type your text. Resize it. Duplicate text layer. Then right-click and select Convert to Shape. Select Direct Selection tool, and make selection in the bottom area of your text. Then hold Shift and drag it to down. It will stretch your text. Now import your image and drag it above text shape layer. Then right-click on image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Adjust your image accordingly. Now right-click on text shape layer and choose blending options. Follow these settings. Now you can create solid background. Select all layers. Right-click and merge layers. For add some clarity I am using Camera Raw filter.